Jax.
Ah, it's you.
Have you been awake all this time?
Nah. I just woke up early to enjoy some extra time. Besides, we don't even need sleep.
Hey, you know you can talk to me if something's going on. We have had our disagreements in the past, but you can always count on me. We're friends, remember?
Of course, Raggy. God, you're always so dramatic. I can never do anything without you exaggerating.
Hey!
Well, I'm gonna do something that actually matters to me. See you later.
Here you go, Pomni.
Jax, old friend, what's up? Isn't it a beautiful day in this wonderful place?
Open your eyes!
Lovely.
Come on, don't just stand there.
Oh, I told you I'm fine! Ah!
Jax?
Why do you keep using her identity?
That's all I've got.
Of course, you're just a machine.
Yeah. Hey, you don't have to be here alone. We're all like family. We're here to support each other. I promise, I won't abandon you. No matter what.